How to delete photos in Google Photo. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to let you know the ways to delete photo in Google Photos. So in order to delete photos in Google Photo, you just have to follow the simple steps. So what you have to do is you need to go ahead and open up your Google Photos app. When you open it up, this is how it's going to look like. Here, what you need to do is locate the photo that you wish to delete. Let's say I'm going to go with this one. Now press the three dot icon next to it and click on delete button. Press on the screen and press the bin icon and click on move to bin. Once you've done this, the photo has been deleted. Now this is not completely erased. It's going to be located in your bin. So if you want to delete it permanently, you need to go ahead and open up your bin and then you need to go ahead and press on delete. Once you do that, this way you've completely deleted the photo in Google Photos. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.